In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game Voyagers of Nera on PC. So what you need to do is open your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Once you have done this, we quickly can search up this game at Steam before we continue to another website to download this game. So go to the Steam website, don't waste too much time over here because we are not going to buy it, we are going to download it at another website. Select the game Voyagers of Nera, then scroll a little bit down and you will find out that this game is €23.99 on Steam. But don't worry, we have a little workaround. What you need to do is click on the link in the video description where it says find game here, and then you will be redirected to this page. Now search for the same game, Voyagers of Nera, and then search. Select the games on the left side, sort by price lowest first, and you will find a PC version which can be activated in your country, so make sure this text is marked green and then select the game. Once you have opened the game page, you will find out that we can already download this game for €18.38 compared to the price on Steam of €23.99. Now if you purchase this game at this website, you will receive an email confirmation including a Steam activation key to activate this game within Steam and download it on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye.